If you have been thinking of starting a YouTube channel but you haven't started yet, then this video is for you. As in this video, I'm going to show step-by-step guide on how to get started on YouTube. So hey there and welcome to the channel. So if you're new here, let me tell you, I make videos to help new content creators create better content and grow their online presence. So if you are a new content creator or an aspiring one, please subscribe to the channel because I come up with videos like this every week. Now let's dive into the video. The first thing that you need to do before starting a channel is deciding the topic of your channel. Now, if you're unsure about the topic and you have several topics in mind, I would like you to narrow it down to 3 topics. And these 3 topics should be close to each other. And then you can try out different things in the same domain. For instance, if you are making videos on weight loss, then you can also try out diet plans on your channel because those two are the subdomains of the fitness domain. So you can try out different subdomains in the same domain. So my advice would be try out different subdomains in the same domain and see for yourself which topics work well for your channel. Then stick to that topic. Now, as you have decided the topic or the potential topic of your channel, I want you to take a pen and paper and write down 50 video ideas so that you don't run out of video ideas too soon. And to get help with video ideas, you can use tools like Google Trends or keywordseverywhere.com. So the next step would be deciding the name of your channel. Now you can do 2 things. You can either go by your name or try out some other name. So that will depend solely on the goal of your channel. So if you want to build a personal brand from this channel, then your name would be the way to go. Or if you have some other brand name that you want to create a business around, then you might want to try that name as your channel name. Or in some domain, you can even try the combination of these. Like if you are a fitness channel and your name is John, then you can try Fitness with John. And gaming channels uses this combination the most. They uses some gaming name and add gaming to the suffix and create a name. Like if you have a gaming channel and your gaming name is Lucifer, then you might want to try Lucifer Gaming. But once you decide the name, you should always claim the social media handles with that name on all the platforms, be it Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or everywhere. So just claim all the social media handles. I know you will not be using all at the beginning, but just claim it so that in later stage when you decide to use that platform, you don't have to face problem. And I would highly recommend you to buy the domain name with that name, because in later stage, if you want to build a website and the domain name isn't available, then you will face problems. Now, as you have decided the channel name and the topic of your channel, there are 2 pictures that you need to create to upload to your YouTube channel. So the first one is the channel banner. This is the picture that you will see in every YouTube channel, and this is the cover picture like area. And the second one is the channel art, and this channel art is this little logo or avatar like picture that you will see in every YouTube channel. For the channel art, you can use your own picture like me if your channel is by your own name, or you can use your brand logo if you have any. And for designing these 2 pictures, you don't need any skill of Photoshop. You just use canva.com or snapper.com, and there are plenty of templates available you can easily use and make these 2 pictures. And before proceeding with the video, I would like you to vote on this poll right here at the I button and tell me whether you have started the channel already or you are yet to start. Now your channel is all set up and you need to do the main work, that is recording videos for your channel. And for that you will need some gears, and by gears I don't mean any fancy DSLRs or Rode mics. You can just get started with whatever you have. If you have any camera that can shoot full HD videos, then you are good to go. And if you don't have that one also, you can always use your iPhone or your Android. iPhone has always been known for their camera and video recording capabilities, and nowadays even cheap Androids can record 4K videos. Like I am using my $200 Android phone on the selfie camera mode to record this very video. Now once you have uploaded the first video on your channel, the question that comes is when you should upload your next video. For that, I would highly recommend to create a upload frequency. So suppose you want to upload once a week or twice a week or every day, but just maintain that frequency. Suppose your videos are really graphics heavy and needs a lot of editing, then you can even choose twice. For a beginner, you should really upload higher than what the established creators are uploading in your own niche. So in your niche, if established creators are uploading twice a week or once a week, you just target to upload more than those, and just make one thing sure that you are not declining the video quality in order to upload more. Just maintain the video quality and upload more. In the beginning days, you might have to work really hard to maintain the quality and maintain the upload frequency, but believe me, it is worth it. If you are maintaining the upload frequency and creating quality content, YouTube algorithm will love your content. From the very beginning, create a habit of planning out your videos before recording. So if you don't have any plan and you are sitting in front of the camera and hitting that record button, then you are going to stumble on every sentence which is not going to sound nice to your audience. So what you can do instead is write down the whole script of your video, or you can just write the key points that you are going to talk about in that video. If you are recording the screen or you are explaining a process, then you might not need a script, but if your video is fully informational, then you must just outline the videos, just note down the key points that you're going to talk in the video, at least in the beginning stages. Like I have also outlined this video and I am covering all the points that I have got planned out earlier than recording this video. The next thing is sharing your videos in different social media platforms and to the people who might be actually interested. So at the beginning, you might not get any views unless you share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. So what you can do is, in the beginning stages, just find videos that are similar to your video and go to the comment section of those videos, and if any person have any queries regarding that topic, solve their problem. Just answer to them, because all the big creators might not be able to answer all the comments in the comment section. So find questions that people are posting on that video's comment section and try to solve their problems, and just gently ask that you have the same kind of video on your channel and you have solved this problem on the video, and the person might want to check out your channel. So just gently ask, don't spam the comment section of other creators. And sub for sub is a big no. Believe me, YouTube isn't that hard as it seems in the starting phase. Once you get past this low traction phase and you start getting some traction, then it's really easy to grow. But in the beginning stages, don't focus too much on views, subscribers. Just start creating content and keep getting better at it. Just remember, this is a learning curve. You are not going to produce the perfect video in the first shot. Don't get frustrated if you don't get views or subscribers in the beginning stages. If you found this video helpful, you might want to check out this video right here and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to learn more about YouTube growth and social media hacks, please subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any queries, you just comment it down or DM me on Instagram. The first link in the description.